I've given myself a challenge today. We have 1 month, 30 days to start an entirely new online coaching business. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. So a lot of you might have wanted to start a coaching business, but you have no idea how to get started. Well, after this video, you're not gonna have that excuse anymore. You're gonna know exactly what you should do in the first 30 days of your online coaching business. By the way, if you're new here and you wanna make sure your business stays successful, you get your business started and you learn a lot of cool tips for getting clients, making money, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my best videos. So, what we've done is we've broken this up into weeks. We've broken this up into different days. Day 1 through 7, day 7 through 14, day 14 through 21, and then day 21 to 28, and then day 28 to 30. So we're gonna break it up. What do you need to do? In the first 7 days, you've decided to officially start a coaching business. What do you do? Get your pen and paper. Number 1, first thing you're doing is you're deciding what problem you wanna solve. Every successful, profitable coach solves problems for people. And I want it to be a specific problem. A lot of coaches aren't too specific. They'll say, oh, I'm gonna help people have better lives, or I'm gonna help people reach their full potential. That's not specific enough. A good example of a specific problem is I'm gonna become an Instagram coach, and I'm gonna help people on Instagram get more followers. That's a very specific thing you're gonna help them with. All right, second thing you're gonna do in this first week, you gotta decide who are you gonna help. You know the problem you're gonna solve, who you're gonna help solve it for. Now, we've got an awesome video that I just made that will help you pick your niche, help you narrow down your niche. And then in the description, I want you to click the link and watch the full video. You need to do this in the first week that you've decided to start a coaching business. Third thing, you need to choose a price point. There's a lot that goes into choosing the right price point, but here's one thing I will be able to tell you. It should be a good fit for you, so you should feel excited about it, and it should be a good fit for your students. All right, now we're in the second week. First thing you're gonna figure out is which platform you're gonna promote yourself on. So you might think, I need to be on TikTok, I need to be on Instagram, I need to be on YouTube, no, you need to be on one platform. We have a whole video that talks about how you need to pick one platform and grow on that one platform. So you need to pick which platform you'll promote yourself on. You've already simplified your life by a ton because you're only worrying about one social media platform, not a bunch. All right, second thing you're gonna do, this is a little bit of a shorter week, you only have to do 2 things this week, is you need to decide what kind of content you're gonna create. Let's say you picked Instagram. Let's say, okay, Instagram's the one platform I'm gonna promote myself on. Are you gonna be doing Instagram lives? Are you gonna be doing Instagram reels? Are you gonna be doing Instagram posts, Instagram stories? By the way, if you picked Instagram, you should be doing Instagram reels because that's where all the organic reach is. But you need to decide, okay, what kind of content am I going to create? So this second week, pretty easy, right? The good news is a lot of people have been in business for 2 years. They've been coaching for 2 years and they don't even have this kind of clarity. They're trying to do a bunch of different kind of content on a bunch of different platforms. And then they're wondering why they're struggling to get traction. 14 through 21. First thing I want you to do if you've made it this far is I want you to just take a deep breath. You're doing good. You're sticking with it. You're seeing some good results. You're getting some clarity. You're starting to get a game plan is starting to emerge. Your online coaching business is starting to take shape. This is exciting. You're going to do 2 things again this week. First thing you're going to do is you're going to decide your marketing schedule. We made a whole video talking about how to decide your marketing schedule, getting into that communication rhythm with you and your potential clients. And it's important to just get that calendar and that schedule figured out so you have a clear game plan so you can have a successful online coaching business. You know, they always say like, if you don't have a plan for it, if it's not on my calendar, it doesn't get done. Well, we need to decide your marketing schedule and get some clarity around that. Second thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add it to your schedule. I want you to add it to your schedule now before you've even started doing anything, right? Because it's gonna remind you. Let's say you aren't launched yet, right? So you haven't launched your business yet. You're sort of still in I'm deciding things. I'm in the first 30 days of deciding to start an online coaching business. I still want you to decide your marketing schedule and I still want you to add it to your calendar right now. So let's say you decided that, okay, once I launch my online coaching business, I'm going to promote myself on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On your calendar, before you even started, I want you to start seeing reminders that on Monday, you're going to make an Instagram reel. On Wednesday, you're going to make an Instagram reel. And on Friday, you're going to make an Instagram reel. And it's going to you'll start seeing it on your calendar and it'll start to remind you that this is what your new life is going to be moving forward. You know, a lot of people are very excited when they start their new coaching business. I'm going to do all the things and I'm going to promote myself everywhere. And then they burn out and they quit their coaching business and they leave a lot of money on the table. I want you, if you think about your schedule, we'll just do a little drawing right here. I want you to slowly ramp up like that. What a lot of people do is they start super high really high, and then they quit and they give up. And so let's just make this green. I want you to kind of see this is what yours is going to look like. You're going to start slow. You're slowly going to work your way up, and that's how you're going to make a ton of money. So over the last 3 weeks, we've decided what problem you're going to solve. You've picked your niche. You've watched the video I made on picking the right niche. You've chosen a price point that's going to actually feel good for you and your students. The lens is creeping me out. It's making me feel like an eye is staring at me. I've never had that before, but it literally just threw me off there. It's bizarre. You're going to choose a price point that actually works for you and your customers. In the second week, you're going to pick which platform you're going to promote on. So you're going to decide on a social media platform, and you're going to decide what kind of clients you're going to create. You're going to watch videos that I made to help you with that. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button. Third thing you're going to do in that third week is you're going to be deciding your marketing schedule. So the rhythm and the cadence of how you're going to be showing up for people. And then you're going to add it to your schedule so you actually see it in your calendar. Day 21 through day 28. What are you doing? You're almost close to launching. First thing we need to do, because we're so close to launching, is we need to talk about your mindset. Let's just now, you might be feeling tight in your chest or butterflies in your stomach. And I just encourage you to, this is a big deal. This is exciting. You're launching your new online coaching business. And so we need to take a moment and we need to pause. And so what I have you do in order to work on your mindset, this is actually one of the most important things at the beginning, because it's going to feel overwhelming. It's going to feel stressful, et cetera, et cetera. So what I want you to do is I want you to make a list of 100 reasons why people should work with you. 100 is going to take you some time, okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to sit down, you're going to start writing it out. Maybe you'll get to 30 reasons why people should work with you. Then you'll get stuck. The thing is, when you're writing down all the reasons why people should work with you, it can be silly reasons, like I'm a cat person. It could be, value-based things like I'm a Christian. It could be, even just like energetic things, like I'm a really bubbly person. It can be, experience related, where it's like I have 10 years of, being in a similar field. So it can be big reasons, and it can also be small reasons. When you make that list of 100 reasons why someone should work with you, you're going to be your confidence is going to be improved. You'll be projecting your voice more. You'll be standing a little taller. You'll feel good. This is why people should work with me. And then what you can do is, if you have a website, don't worry if you don't need it in the first 30 days. But if you do have a website, you can put it on your website, and it's a cool thing to do. The third thing you need to do is you need to understand what does it mean to launch a business, right? Like launch/open a coaching business, okay? The way that your launch works, the analogy I use is it's like opening the store. Right? So all the stuff we did to get your store ready, right, is essentially like almost, let's imagine we're painting your store, we're getting the shelves ready, we're loading the products. That's what we did in all these days. We got everything ready. We decided the problem, we picked your niche, you chose a price point, worked on your offer. Now the store is ready to be open. But when you open a store, it's not like the work ends. It's actually when the work begins. So in your first 30 days, your work is you did it, and then you launch your coaching business, and that's when the work begins. And so I want you to think about that as we begin to launch your business, which is literally like step number 4 is to launch it. It's like the store's open. You're open for business. You're ready to start taking in customers and start helping them and improving their lives through your coaching. The launch is like the store's opening. That's when the work really begins. So what I want you to consider, and this is optional, day 8 through 30 are optional, but I think they're very important, is I think you should consider accessing the Get Clients Now system. Especially if you're just getting started in your business, this is the system that all my students use to get clients right away. So they open up their coaching businesses. They a lot of times they even do all this stuff with me. Like I'll help them pick the right price point. I'll help them choose which platform to promote on. But even if you decide to do that part on your own, I want you to consider accessing this system to help you get clients. Essentially what we teach in the Clients Now system is everything that you need to know to get clients in your coaching business. And we have a ton of coaches in there, and what we've been able to do is help them get clients faster. So help them accelerate the results. So we'll teach you how to pick the right platform to post on. We'll teach you how to make content that actually gets clients. We'll teach you how to get more followers. We'll teach you how to choose an offer that actually solves problems for people and will actually sell, right? We'll teach you how to attract eager buyers, people that say, yep, I'm in, I wanna buy from you, how do I pay you? We'll teach you how to do all of that. If you're interested in having me help you grow your online coaching business, here's what I want you to do. I want you to first watch a couple videos that I've made. I want you to just get to know me a little bit more. And then I want you to go to this link. It's mariawendt.com/program. It'll be in the description, as well as just you can put that in your browser. And I want you to learn a little bit more about the Get Clients Now system for getting clients. It's super affordable. A lot of people who are working with us are brand new, and we help them get their first clients. I want you to see that this could be you. These are our students who are just like you. They're just getting started, and they decided that they didn't want to spend 1 year, 2 years, 3 years figuring it out on their own. They wanted to get into a place in a community where we could really help show them what to do to get clients quickly. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. If you are, just starting an online coaching business, let us know in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all my just very value-packed videos on getting clients and making more money. And I'll see you in the next video.